Hi everybody, welcome to my reflection on modules and topics in Odel 5901. So for the first part of this presentation, I'd just like to mention a few things about the definitions in open and distance learning. So open and distance learning has a very flexible definition and mainly centers around its ability to allow students to access education without the need for physical attendance. So it's very flexible, and examples include online courses, correspondence, virtual classrooms where learners access materials, and the ability to communicate with instructors and collaborate with their peers remotely. Now, the University of South Africa is a very good example of this, offering fully online programs for South African students who cannot attend in person. Now, Odel began in the 1800s with postal-based correspondence courses, meaning that work was often posted to students and they had to post it back, like those from the University of London's external program by the 20th century. Technologies like radio, television expanded to Odell's outreach. With the internet, Odell evolved into interactive e-learning programs. Modern examples include Coursera and edX, where students worldwide can take online courses from top universities. Now, included in open and distant learning is learning theory. So it's not just because it's a very new concept or new mode of teaching doesn't mean it doesn't have a theoretical background. So when we talk about learning theories, it's the explanation that tries to explain how people acquire knowledge and skills and how this can be used to guide instructional design. For instance, in Odell, constructive theories might encourage self-paced studies with interactive modules, while behaviors approaches use quizzes and feedback to reinforce learning. Learning theories of the 20th century include behaviorism, focuses on observable behaviors reinforced by rewards or punishment. In Odell, quizzes with instant feedback on example. Cognitivism emphasizes understanding mental processes in Odell and could use mind maps or concept videos, aid cognitive processing. Constructivism, learners build knowledge through experience. In Odell, project-based assignments help students apply learning contextually. Then learning theories of the 21st century. Connectivism highlights learning through networks and technology. This includes peer support and includes using social media or forums in Odell for sharing resources. Experiential learning, learning by doing, often applied in virtual simulations or interactive labs. Nursing programs, for example, may use virtual patient care simulations. Social constructivism emphasizes collaboration. In Odell, group projects or peer review forums facilitate social interactions and shared learning. Ubuntu and Odell. Ubuntu meaning I am because we are, values community and interdependent. In Odell, this philosophy might promote collaborative work, peer mentoring, and inclusive practices. For example, Eunice's Odell model often incorporates Ubuntu principles by focusing on community impact and student support. The community of inquiry framework. This framework emphasizes three presences essential for a rich online experience: cognitive, developing critical thinking; social, fostering a sense of belonging through interaction; and teaching, instructors guide and structure learning as seen in well-moderated online forums and feedback mechanisms. Transactional distance in Odell. This concept refers to psychological and the communicative gap between learners and instructors. Odell programs reduce this through interactive webinars, personalized feedback, and structured communication channels, helping students feel more connected. For example, live question and answer sessions with instructors to help bridge the distance. And then lastly, student support in Odell. Student support is critical for helping remote learners succeed encompassing academic, technical, and emotional assistance. This might include online tutoring, tech support hotlines, and counseling service. An example is Arizona State University's online support, which provides academic advisors, tech support, and career service for distance learning students. I hope you enjoy this short video reflection. Have a good evening.